With QuickSet you can do unequal angles, so it depends on whatever angle's on that plan. For example, you may see a 45-degree angle, you may see a 22.5 degree, or you may see 105 degrees. Whatever the angle is, what you're looking at is splitting the angles, taking a straight base. So we're going to start with showing you how to do the bases, and then I'll show you how to do the formwork on top. So essentially what we're trying to create is, this is a 45-degree angle. So as you can see there, we join them together. That's two 22.5 degree cuts on the drop saw with a base. Put them together and that will give us our 45-degree angle. So I lay that down there. So obviously working around clockwise, that would clip onto our straight base, and then this piece would go around the corner. So to hold those two together, we're going to take a little bit of the offcut, which is that plastic flap. Now, it's a real important note to look at how to make wing walls on QuickSet, because that will also give you a little bit more insight to how to form together these bases. But essentially, we'll take that 2mm flap. I'm going to use some screws, which I'll show you shortly what they look like, and some glue. I'm going to glue that, and then we'll take that, I'm going to stick that like so, and then I'm going to stitch it together using some of these screws and a bit of glue. Now, because it's only 2mm thick, it won't affect the height of your foundation, but it will help hold that together so that it will hold it together. Once your formwork goes on, your formwork will also hold it together, and it will give you a nice, strong intersection. Cool. As you can see, that is our unequal angle. Essentially, there's a bit of a flap here. I've cut the screws off at the bottom, so it's got some little tiny wee 15mm galvanised Phillips head screws. We screw them through here, the pan heads, cut the bottom off. That will allow the glue to go off, and it will allow it to hold it together once you do your formwork. So that's how you achieve unequal angles with your bases.